Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Now click on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, read all of those instructions and disclaimers. And when you finish, click on Done at the bottom. Over here, you can click on this little dot to disable or enable Raise to Wake option. When you're ready to add your face data, click on Create Now and follow all of the instructions from your screen. So finally, when I switch off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!